Look at that beauty, such a nice rainbow. Today we have an electric car here. Not that that would be something new, but for Thailand it's kind of special. In Thailand there's still less than 10,000 battery electric vehicles on the streets. And this one, the MG-Z SUV, is the most common one. Probably 2/3 of all EVs are the MG-Z SUV. Why is there not many EVs in Thailand? Well, the problem is that Thailand has a big automotive industry in the country, and every import car, which battery electric vehicles are typically, is subject to a high import tariff. So these cars are pretty expensive. The MG-Z SUV is about $35,000, so you can buy a Tesla Model 3 in the United States for that kind of money. And all the others, even like the Japanese or Korean brands, they cost upwards of 50,000 baht in Thailand. Very, very expensive, and so nobody's buying them, of course. The charging network in Thailand is also very, very poor at the moment still. Yeah, MG has a special deal. They are not paying so much tariff, so the cars are kind of reasonable, and people are buying them. I have installed our wall box about 1.5 years ago in November 2019, and it was the first here in the district, and probably 1 out of 10 public available in the province. So that's how far back Thailand is when it comes to electric cars. And yeah, this station was I got for a very good price. I bought it on, if you know it, the Singles Day. They make sales in Alibaba, AliExpress, and I just bought it for maybe $400, installed it by myself for another $100, and yeah, just $500, a 7 kilowatt wall charger, 32 amps. The advantage of an EV is, of course, that you can charge them on any outlet at home. But of course, this would, if you don't have a wall box, it would only be like a 10 amp socket, and this one gives you a 3 times faster speed. So this car can be charged in about 5 hours from 0 to full on the Type 2 wall box. Okay, so that was it already for today. Thank you for watching this short video. Please comment, subscribe, like my videos, and I'll see you next time.